Hello, it's Shane Christian from Muddy River Ag. Looking forward to see you up here at Bundaberg next week at the Vanderfield Muddy River Crop Care Day. We're going to have a variety of machines on display in the sugarcane conditions here. Air seeders, planters, and we're going to have the Horsch Tiger working. Love to see you on Tuesday and Thursday. Come along and say good day. Cheers. Horsch 4-metre Tiger and Bundaberg, 2 passes in sugarcane trash on the hills for that. Pretty good job. We're up here at Bundy in the sugarcane field. You see the amount of trash that's in this paddock. We've gone through 2 passes with the Tiger and planted down using the Focus 6TD.